Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to take a look at the latest and the greatest OnePlus 7 leaks. Without a shadow of a doubt, OnePlus 7 is expected to be an absolute banger of a phone. It's gonna have all the greatest specs. As always, like every year, these devices are one of the most hyped phones. So last time we talked about the actual official design of the OnePlus 7. Thanks to the CAD renders by OnLeaks, we saw the latest design language. With the OnePlus 7, it's got a pop-up camera design implemented, and that make this phone look so good. The reason why OnePlus went with the pop-up camera design is because they cannot implement a whole design on an OLED panel. That is something still Samsung can do, which is why most companies will either remain with notch or they will do the pop-up camera design, obviously in favor of a beautiful seamless design. This will surely lose its durability. Now the design is further confirmed by case render leaks, and it's just so obvious, especially when both Oppo and Vivo came out with their pop-up camera design phones. We all know OnePlus phones takes their design from Oppo and Vivo, and basically they gets it even better in some areas, but it's mostly the same. And this year, however, is slightly different for OnePlus. They're actually planning to launch another device, aka OnePlus 7 Pro. We got its leaked live images, allegedly, take it with a pinch of salt. We've got a full screen design, no notch, no hole. Display goes all the way up, super bezel-less, but with an edge panel. You can see it has a really aggressive edge display, far more edgy than the Galaxy S10 Plus, with a little chin at the bottom. Overall, it looks very similar to the Oppo Find X, but because of the button placement, we can see that it's not actually the Oppo Find X. Again, this is the first time we are seeing anything related to OnePlus 7 Pro in terms of live image, so let me know your thoughts on the design in the comment section below. In the second image, we can actually see the specification for this as well as its model number. So it's coming with Snapdragon 855 chip as expected, 8 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of internal memory, super optic 6.67-inch AMOLED panel. It's going to be a large display with triple camera setup on the back, with the main 48 megapixel sensor along with a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Now the screen size of this phone is set to be 6.67 inches, which means that the normal OnePlus 7 or the smaller model will be around 6.1 or 6.2 inches. So the model number is GM1915 and it's rocking Android 9.0 Pie. The credibility of this leak is in high question, but further leaks indeed showed that this device is actually real. According to the recent leak via Twitter, we have the model numbers confirmed. The one we're seeing right now is the OnePlus 7 Pro. There will be a 5G variant of this model as well, and then there's a non-Pro normal OnePlus 7 model with a flat, and then there is the normal OnePlus 7 model with a smaller flat screen panel. So a total of 3 OnePlus models are expected to happen this year, so looking really good. There's this community image leak that shows the possible tagline with the OnePlus 7 devices, and that says "Go beyond speed," and it also shows the Pro text, which means it also shows the Pro text, which further adds the credibility to the OnePlus 7 Pro leak. Again, the Pro model will be the most premium one. It's gonna cost more than your average OnePlus flagship price, and obviously the 5G model will cost even more, but still it won't cost as much as the other recent flagship phones. In fact, the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G model could be the cheapest 5G phone in US. OnePlus always have pricing as one of their biggest advantages. Along with all of this, OnePlus is expected to introduce 44 watts of ultra fast charging and finally bumping the battery size to 4000 mAh on at least one OnePlus 7 model. It could actually be the Pro one to go to that battery size. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The Pro model does look really interesting. Again, more will unfold in the near future. With that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.